These Spanish words are lying to your face. Learn 10 false friends so you stop saying the wrong thing. From embarrassing mix-ups to dinner table disasters, here we go. Number 1, the most famous trap of all.
Embarazada.
It does not mean embarrassed, it means pregnant.
Ella está embarazada de 5 meses.
Number 2, careful when you introduce people.
Parientes.
It means relatives, not parents. Parents or padres.
Tengo muchos parientes en México.
Number 3, watch this one at restaurants.
Picante.
It means spicy or hot, nothing to do with the picnic.
Esta salsa es muy picante para mí.
Number 4, a classic work trap.
Asistir.
It means to attend, not to assist or help.
Voy a asistir a la reunión mañana.
Number 5, this one changes your whole sentence.
Actualmente.
It means currently or nowadays, not actually.
Actualmente vivo en Madrid con mi familia.
Number 6, 2 words that swap on you.
Librería.
It means bookstore, a library is biblioteca.
Compré 3 libros en la librería.
Number 7, a word that sounds dramatic.
Éxito.
It means success, not exit. The exit is Elena.
Su nuevo negocio fue un gran éxito.
Number 8, a sneaky verb for daydreamers.
Realizar.
It means to carry out or accomplish, not to notice.
Quiero realizar todos mis sueños algún día.
Number 9, a tiny word with a big trap.
Ropa.
It means clothes, not rope. Rope is corda.
Necesito comprar ropa nueva para el invierno.
Number 10, the one that fools almost everyone.
Sensible.
It means sensitive, not sensible or practical.
Mi hermana es una persona muy sensible.
That is all 10 false friends. Run through them once more.
Embarazada, parientes, picante, asistir, actualmente en librería, éxito, realizar, ropa sensible.
Follow for a daily Spanish lesson and speak with confidence. Next up, the everyday phrases natives actually use. See you there.